Alright guys, well, thanks for coming back again. I don't have anything for you this time, so let's just jump on in and try to get this done. It's a little cold out, and I really want to get this done. So let's jump on in. I'm removing the exhaust today, so I'm going to show you all the steps to remove the exhaust. Not really first, but this is all the steps I'm going to do. It's not like this is step by step the right process. No, this is my process of what I'm going to be doing. So it looks like I'm going to remove this heat shield here just to get a better view on what's going on with that pipe, because I want to disconnect it right there and pull the whole exhaust system out. I'm probably gonna have to do it in pieces though, because I was under there yesterday and it didn't really look that good. Really rusty, and I hope I can get all these nuts off. I mean, geez, I'm just crossing my fingers and hope we can do it. So it's gonna be a 12 for the size. Got one heat shield side off. Gotta unbolt the O2 sensor. Not unbolt, but unclip it. Just be careful, it's pretty brittle and it's old. So yeah. Got the other piece of the heat shield. I don't know how I'm gonna get that. Maybe I will take it off from the block, but jeez, I don't know. Okay, so I lied. I'm not going to take it off from the downpipe, and I think it's probably a little. Those downpipe bolts might even be on just as easily as these were on. I don't even understand that. Well, I took out all these header bolts, which was, for me, insanely to believe. It's a 14 mil socket. And it goes all the way around here. So you got a 14 mil socket here, 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 and just right under there, you're gonna have one as well. I don't know if you can see it, but just right under there. One here, here, and back as well. Got myself a creeper today. Do not waste your 70 or 80 bucks to go get a new one. It's gonna get messed up. I got mine on Facebook Marketplace, 20 bucks, dude. All right, let's go. That didn't work. This is a really long exhaust. Look at this thing. Now let's go check from a different angle. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Yep, I cut that because I'm not gonna waste any time on that. That takes too much time. Alright. Cut the muffler off. It was really rusted on there. I just kind of kicked it. Okay. There's another hanger. Hanger right there. It's gonna be this one. I'm just gonna clip it with the pliers. Yummy. All right. Happy now. All right, show you where I'm at now. What I'm doing now. Taking off the cap. That's what I'm taking it off from. Out with the old. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ow. Hopefully just pull it up from here. That's my idea. Hello? That's crazy. All that. All that. Well, I got that off, so that's done. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, if things ain't snapping, things ain't happening.